What's up? Hope you're doing well. This is Gabriel coming at you. We got, this is like a super fine metallic, okay? It's a BMW C28 Domingo Gray or something like that. Anyways, we got some room to blend. Not the best, but we're gonna make it work, okay? Got the spot here. Couple of little tiny burn throughs there, so we're gonna just cover this whole thing, that but I'm gonna focus on doing this blend for you and show you how I do it when in doubt, right? Because this is such a fine metallic that you can come into a little bit of problems when you got, like, you see the little sand scratches. So just to be safe, I'm gonna do, where is it? Oh, there. I'm gonna do the wet bed first, okay? So I already washed this with prime wash, so solvent wash. Now I'm doing it with water cleaner, water-based cleaner, okay? You wanna make sure that you're drying this. You're also wiping a little bit farther. Try to get, it'll keep your job cleaner. Nobody likes wasting time polishing when you don't have to, right? So, do yourself a favor and take a little extra time. Right? Try to avoid as many nibs as you possibly can. Sometimes it is what it is, but you can avoid a lot of them. Okay. If you've watched me for any time at all, you know that, you know, I like to do it microfiber cuff. It works the best. It's been years now. And so I'm gonna tack this with this, okay? So just watch what I'm doing. So this is a wet bed. It's I mix it 4:1. So I spray PPG and Envirobase. So this is 4:1, 490 with the reducer. So, and I use this MPV8 for the wet bed. It's a great gun for it. 1.3. You want to put it on medium wet. So not quite like clear, but a wet coat of base. Nice. There we go. Because we got a nice You're able to put the base coat a little bit heavier. And if necessary, we can do another coat of wet bed, no problem. So, because we got a nice, there we go. Because we got a nice, uniform substrate now, you're able to put the base coat a little bit heavier now. HDE base 1.3 Carbonio. If necessary, we can do another coat of wet Motivated Painters Edition. I love this gun, as many of you know, and whoever's bought it off me from the website, you know you love it too. So I'm gonna aim my gun that way, try to contain the repair, right? And I'm gonna just cover the whole corner because there's burn throughs and stuff there, okay? And obviously the gas light covers over there, which I'm also gonna do. But I want to try to, you know, keep it in. HDE base 1.3 Carbonio Motivated Painters Edition. I love this gun, as many of you know, and whoever's bought it off me from the website, you know you love it too. So I'm gonna aim my gun that way, try to contain the repair, right? And I'm gonna just cover the whole corner because there's burn throughs and stuff there, okay? And obviously the gas light covers over there with the motor. But I want to try to, you know, keep it in. All right, so 2 coats, so you can tell, blend it out nice. So now I'm going to put it at 19 psi. You can do 19, 18 psi, and I'll bring it along. You want to put this on light. You don't want to put it on wet, okay? So we're going to do a double control coat. And I go like that. Just a little blowing like that. And here we go again. Just like that. Nice and easy. Okay, so we'll let that flash off. I'm going to continue on with this stuff. And this is a quick video. Just wanted to show you how I blend a difficult high metallic, but this is a very fine metallic, and the things that you can do to protect yourself from sand scratches and stuff like that. So yeah, all right, we're doing EC 520 with my HDE 1.3 clear HDE clear with the MP cap. Like I mentioned before, I usually do the 1.2, but I like, for faster clears, I like the 1.3. Okay, 30 psi, everything pretty much wide open. good to go. Looks great. I'm happy with it. Is it perfect? No, it's not. But check it out. It's done. Looks good. I'm happy with it. Love it. All right. I hope that helps, everyone. I really hope that helps somehow, one way or another. This is EC520 PPG Envirobase, so this I'll be putting in the baking it for 20 minutes at 120, and that's that. Okay. Love you. I'm thankful you're here. Please share this video with someone you like and someone you don't like as well. Okay. Boom. Love it. Take care. Much love. MotivatedPainters.com for blowers, all kinds of things. Okay. See ya.